Hello beautiful, today an easy glam holiday makeup look for you featuring Pumpkin Pie Spice collection. New tutorial, new look, and we're going to use a new technique of which I call foiling for more drama and impact. It helps the eye makeup stay on really well too. Lay down a base of Flesh mineral eyeshadow dipped in a drop of water to foil your lid. This gives you more depth of color and staying power. Now apply Port mineral eyeshadow loosely in your crease with the crease brush and then blend it out really well. Next, go in with Copper, which is the top color in the Pumpkin Pie Spice collection, and with the detailed crease and smudge brush, work into your crease. And blend. Golden Glam up next. Foil this again with just a drop of water and pat onto your lids. Let it dry really well and blend. Now finish up your look with either Bliss or Pashmina just under your brow. Really helps open up your eye. Now let's use Rose Gold, aka Sunset, on your cheeks. And then, blend it out with a big fluffy brush if you happen to lay down too much pigment the first time around. Just softens all the edges. Lastly, dip Perfection lip gloss into Rose Gold and slick it on your lips. This is a collection you can wear all year long, all season long. You can dress it up or dress it down, mix it with a lot of different palettes that you already have. You can use the colors that I shared here. I'll have everything down below in the links. However, it's only available during the holidays in the shop at simplebeautyminerals.com. So there you have it. Another way to wear the Pumpkin Pie Spice collection. I will link a few other looks that I've done over the years using different color combinations and different techniques so that you can play around. Because remember, play and experiment. Makeup comes off at night.